There was a lot on that side. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of March. I have all the products on my face right now and I don't want this video to be a million years long, so I think that we should just get into it. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this month's Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. So I peeked into the box and the first item in here that we're going to look at is the South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs. And I've never heard of this brand before, but it says it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. So you're supposed to cleanse your eye area, apply this product under the eye, and leave it on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles, which I can do, which is why I don't have any makeup on. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 consecutive days. Okay, so let's try these little jellies out. This is what one of them looks like. So it comes with 3. One fell off. Huh. Well, it's like a very weird consistency. I mean, it is a jelly eye pack, so I do feel the jelliness. Oh, it's kind of like in my eye. Oh no, it's falling off already. No. Oh boy. This is going real well. Does it go this way? No, this way. I think that the juice is dripping on my leg, so that's always good. Here's the other one. Ooh, it's nice. This one was nice and cool. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these on for a half hour, and when I come back I'll let you know what I think. So see you soon. Okay guys, I'm back. So I've had these gel eye patch things on for about 27-ish minutes, and I'm ready to take them off. Really, they did feel a little bit tingly, but nothing too uncomfortable. But I did notice that there was a little bit of a tingling sensation, so just be aware if you're going to use these, that will happen. But let's take them off. And what do we think? It did say to use for 3 days for the best results. I'm not really sure if I'm seeing much of a difference, to be honest, but it did feel like nice and cooling on the face. I just was ready to take them off. But anyway, let's move on to what's next in this box. I'm actually going to take this guy out. This is by the brand The Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's a smoky eye brush set. And this is what it looks like. I think that you can get this this brand at TJ Maxx. I feel like I've seen them there before. But let's just open this up and see what kind of brushes they are. Okay, so we got 3 brushes here. This is what they look like. There's one like fluffy crease looking type of brush. Then this brush is a little bit more dense, and then this one is a super short dense one. And it says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go girl go. Okay, sounds cute to me. I love the packaging of these. I think that the little vintage look is super cute. And yeah, let's put these to the test. Oh, so I forgot to tell you, the eye patches were retail for $10, and these set of 3 brushes retails for $23.15. Okay, and next up is this. Also, guys, don't mind my nails, I have to do them. This is a collaboration with the brand Pure. It's Boxycharm and Pure. And it is an eyeshadow palette that looks like this. So we've got some bright colors in here, like look at that magenta color and that blue, the orangey shades. And I'm excited to use this actually. This looks like it has some good potential. So what I'm gonna do first is just prime my eyelids using a concealer. I think I will use the ColourPop concealer, the no filter concealer. I am in the shade Fair Neutral. So I'm just going to pop a bit on my lids. I'm going to take this fluffier brush, and I'm going to go in with this first shade called Perfect, or Purifict. It's like pure, but you know what I mean. And I'm just going to use this to set that concealer. Then I'm going to go in the next shade called Nakey. It's like this really pretty peachy transition shade. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. And then I'm going to take the next shade called Belle. It's a bit more of like a pinkier shade, and I'm going to put that in the crease as well. There is a bit of kick up in the palette, but nothing too horrible. Okay, that's a bit of a mess, but it's okay. We're gonna clean it up in a little bit. Let's do, I kind of want to stick with like the purpley shades. So I'm gonna take this super small, actually, no, I'm gonna take this one, and I'm going to take the shade BFF, this super bright shade, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. Like, ooh, look at that. That is a pigmented shade. So yeah, as you can tell, there's quite a bit of fallout now that I have purple shadow all over my face, but that's why I do my eyes first. And then I'm going to go back into that first shade Nakey, that like peachy one, and blend out the crease. And I'm just going to go back into the purple shade and put a little bit more because it did get blended away a little bit. So we've got some colorful eyes. I'm going to take a different brush. This is by Luxie. This is the mini tapered brush. And I'm going to go into ATL, which is this darker shade here, this like purpley shade. and I'm going to put this in the outer corners. I am going to put on the rest of my face makeup, and then I will be back to finish up the eyes and finish up the products in this month's box. Alright, so I've done the rest of my face makeup, and now I'm here to finish up the eyes. So we have a nice bright color going on, which is quite unusual for me, but we're gonna roll with it. So I think what I'm gonna do next is take some more of this Naked shade over here and just put this underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna go into ATL again and put that on the outer corner. So that was this one. I'm just going to take this perfect color again and put that underneath my brow bone. And then I'm going to take Charmer here, and I'm going to put that in my inner corners. Ooh, I like that a lot. So these are the eyes with the makeup palette from Pure and Boxycharm. And yeah, I like that palette a lot. I think that the colors are a bit more bright and colorful than I normally go for, but I really like this bold change, a little something different. The next item in the box is this guy. It's the Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and this is what the packaging looks like. I love the whole like London look to it. I love London so much, so I mean it makes sense. Ooh, the packaging is pretty too. And this is what the actual mascara looks like. Just says Double Decker Lashes. And then let's see the wand. Ooh, this is what the wand looks like. It's got tons of fibers. And let's get this baby on. Okay, so this is what the mascara looks like on. I do think that it did add a lot of length to my lashes. Like, can you see that when I moved my head to the side? It's probably not my favorite mascara that I've ever tried, but I do like it. It does add some length, which I enjoy. And the final item in the box is this guy. It's from the brand Pretty Vulgar. I love their packaging. This is a blush. It's called Make Them Blush in Hush Blush in the shade 18. And look at that shade. Look how pretty that looks. I'll give you a swatch on the back of my hand. Like, ooh, that's a pretty shade. And I left my brush inside, so give me a second. I'm not going to put too much of this blush on just because I feel like we already have a lot of color here, but I am going to put a little bit. Ooh, that is powdery. Just a little bit to warm up the cheeks. I like. This is super pigmented, so you do have to be super careful when you are putting this on, but I do like this a lot. This month's box was actually really nice. I'm not sure how I feel about the eye gels, but everything else, I liked the brushes. I liked the mascara, was decent. This blush is really pretty, and the palette was nice as well. I thought that the colors blended really nicely. I could probably get a little bit more use out of like these shades over here, but I do like this pop of color. I'm interested to try that blue as well. Oh man, I completely forgot to say how much things were. Okay, so the palette from Pure was $36. The mascara was $20, and the Pretty Vulgar blush was $26. This month's box cost like $21, and the value is around $115. That's amazing. Oh, and this month's box was Vacation. Love it. But yeah, so I think that completes this month's box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.